You have learned the rules how to multiply and divide fractions. This video explains why when we multiply fractions, we just multiply the top by top and the bottom by bottom. In other words, we multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. I would like to explain this to you in simple graphs. Look at this first example. How do we do 3 times 2? They both are integers. So you can see from this picture, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is one row of 3, and we have 2 rows. So it's 3 times 2, which equals to 6. This picture explains how multiplication are done in general. Of course, that's for integers. But how do we do fractions? How do we do 3/7 times 2/5? Look at this picture. This whole box represents 1. What do we mean by 3/7? We can cut this box into 7 vertical columns, like this. Now, this box is cut into 7 equal parts. Now we take 3 out of that, so we shade this 3. So this picture is now 3/7. Now we are going to cut the same box into 5 horizontal rows. We're cutting it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you have 5 equal parts. We are taking 2 parts of this 5. So I'm going to shade it this way. 1, 2 parts. So now look at this picture. This double shaded area is exactly our numerator times numerator. You can see 3 times 2. That is 6. And this whole box is now cut into 35 equal parts. Where does 35 come from? That's this 7 times 5. That's our denominators, which is 7 times 5 is 35. So we get our answer 6/35. I hope this explained to you why that when we do multiplying fractions, we have to multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. Here is a more complicated example I like to show you. In most video for fraction multiplication, they teach you to multiply first, then simplify at the end. But here, I want to show you that you should always simplify first, then multiply. That will make your life much easier. See this given example. How do we multiply by 2 and 1/3? No, sorry. How do we multiply 2 and 1/3 by 1 and 1/14? like this. 2 1/3 times 1 1/14. You just follow these 4 steps I leave here. First, they are all mixed numbers. We have to change them to improper fractions to make multiplication easier. So 2 1/3 is 7/3. How? You can see it from here. 2 1/3 means 2 times of 3 plus 1 on top and over 3 at the bottom. So that's how 7/3 come from. And 1 1/14 will become 15/14. Now we'll multiply them together. Here you can see if you don't simplify first, your life is much harder. Who knows 7 times 15 right away? So we are going to do top, bottom simplifying first. What we do is divide this top 7 and this bottom 14 by 7. Both divided by 7. So this 7 becomes 1. This 14 becomes 2 now. Then we have to divide this top 15s and this bottom 3, both divided by 3. So this 3 divided by 3, we get 1. This 15 divided by 3, we get 5. You see? Now I only have 1 times 5 at the top and 1 times 2 at the bottom. So my answer is 1 times 5 is 5 over 1 times 2 is 2. 5 over 2. That is my answer for this multiplication of this example. Of course, some people don't like to see their final answer as improper. Then you just change to mixed number. So 5 halves actually equals to 2 1/2. That is my final answer. I hope that after this video, you will understand fraction multiplication better and always remember to simplify first before you multiply.